Looking for a way to earn some extra cash? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll be sharing with you a fantastic opportunity to get your hands on a whopping $250 of free cash simply by signing up for this amazing platform. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to boost your bank account effortlessly. Join thousands of satisfied users who have already taken advantage of this generous offer. Sign up now and start reaping the rewards today. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing methods to make money online. Now let's get started. Imagine getting free money just for signing up. Sign up for free on freecash.com and win up to $250 in the free case. FreeCash is a GPT site that partners with some of the best offer wall and market research companies out there to provide you with the best offers and surveys that can be done in your spare time to earn coins. These coins can be used for gift cards, cryptocurrencies, and much more. Signing up is simple. You have the choice of logging in using your Steam and Google accounts. Alternatively, you can just sign up using your email. As soon as you've signed up, head over to the Earn page, where you can find a wide variety of offer walls to complete offers from. You can earn coins by completing the app offers and surveys that are available on FreeCash. You can complete surveys on your PC and mobile devices. Find surveys to complete on the Earn page of FreeCash. Their roster of survey offer walls include Revenue Wall, Your Surveys, Theorem Reach, and AdGate. Most withdrawals typically take 5 to 10 minutes to process. If you're withdrawing PayPal from the shop, expect to receive it within 24 hours. Verified users can expect to receive their coins instantly at 50,000 coins a day. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up now and claim your $250 of free cash today. It's never been easier to get rewarded just for joining. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more insightful videos like this.